Welcome back, guys, Crypto Follow channel. Today, we'd like to show you some trading strategy what you can use totally for free using the Arkham intelligence. I used the Arkham for a while. I got a VIP account, so I made a lot of videos about Arkham, how to use. If you're interested in how to dive into Arkham intelligence, I'll recommend you go and check a free tutorial. Also, we need the Telegram for alerts. Because we're going to use the Arkham Alerts bot, and we need the drop step, or double check the venture funds, strategic round, seed round. So of course, it's not a signals. You have to always work with the money management, with risk management, and understand what's going on around, at what market stages now we are. The chart, also analyze the chart. So not just follow blindly the alert. You open the DWF Labs. It can be any other market maker. It can be any other big whales where you can track, you can create as much as possible the dashboards, track a lot of wallets, but I would like to show you one of the most popular. This is a portfolio of the tokens what they hold. DWF Labs, one of the biggest holder of World Liberty Finance, Donald Trump token. And now we can go to DropSap, find here the investors and the venture funds. There will be the big list of that funds, and you can track any of that funds or the big guys. Scroll it down and find the fundraising rounds of the DWF Labs. In many videos, I showed you the seed round, private round, and the upcoming unlocks at what prices that big funds hop into the token. Sometimes we don't have a data at what prices they hop in an early stage. So probably they got even the tokens maybe for free. That's why it's really important. This is a list of the tokens. What's the WF Labs participate like early investor on the funding round, on the Series A rounds, on the private rounds, on the strategic rounds. Got it. Take a look. We got a Gala. Now we go in here and add the filters. We go to token and type Gala. Gala token. We can see all transfers of DWF Labs. 2 years ago, the Binance sent from the hot wallet to DWF Labs 28 million Gala tokens. The value of that tokens 2 years ago, 1,170K. After the year, DWF Labs sent it back 1,600K 21. Got it. So this is like a nice profit, right? And now we go to the drop step. Type it. Gala. What do we can see? DWF Labs was the investor in Gala in Zone 23. Nice. Now, open the 2 years ago transaction. So you can click on transaction and find. So May 21, Zone 24. Scroll it down here. May 21, Zone 24. Let's find it. May, Zone 21. Zone 24. This one. The Binance sent to DWF Labs the big amount of Gala Games tokens. What happened next on the chart? Usually, when the Binance send the tokens to some market maker account, it means something will happen with the token. Or they start pump the token more to distribute later, or start dumping that tokens on the different exchanges, on the DEXs, on OTC markets, whatever. And take a look. From that, we pump it 15% up. And after that, we dump it 68. Exactly from the day when the Binance sent the tokens to the DWF Labs. All right. After the year, December, Zone 24, DWF Labs sent the tokens, 2 transactions, same day, 30 million Gala tokens. And now they got like a profit over than 500,000 value USD. And what happened next? Token dump it. They probably maybe bought more Gala Games, yes, because they sent the 28 million and they sent the 30. So they bought 1 and 7 million more. So we go back to the chart. So December 4, you will be impressed, but this is a day. So magic, right? The Binance sent the tokens to the market maker. Market maker dumped the price, buying more, consolidate. Because of seasonality, all summer we consolidate, chop, boring market, and after that in November we start pumping. It's like preparation to dump it. This is example, guys, how you can track the wallets with the Arkham intelligence and or sell on the spot. Be ready to sell the spot. Try to find the entry for the short position. 5 days they hold in consolidation, right? It was a Wednesday. Consolidate, and on the Monday they just dump the price. 80% drop. 80% drop, and what happened next? You remember. So 95% drop. So this is one example how you can track even by days. All right, another example. So DWF Labs, also the investor in UGG. This one, Yield Guild Games. Funding round, Zone 23, nice one. We go into the token. This one, we go to token, UGG. And what we can see? 3 years ago, DWF Labs sent to the Binance. It was there. Let me check. August 6th, Zone 23. August 6th, Zone 23. No way. Here. The day before. Here. August 6th. This candle. After that, the manipulation from 54 to $1. Everybody, we go into the moon and we crash it down. Amazing. Amazing. You can separate the inflow or outflow, depends what you're looking for. 2 years ago, DWF Labs sent the tokens to the Binance hot wallets, 500,000. On March 29, Zone 24. You could track even by time the behavior when exactly they dump. A New York session and a London session. So March 29, Zone 24, UGG, March 29, no way. March 29, this one. So before they send the tokens to exchange, pump the tokens by themselves, 53%. More people hop in again. And after that, they dump from $1.76 to 4 cents. And now you can use totally for free the Arkham alert bot. You just connect your account on Telegram to receive the notification. So, for example, I would like to track every single alert only when they do something over than 10K. No maximum, only from 10K. So I press it here, alerts. I can press alert name like one, send alerts to the email, for example, or to the Telegram. Create alert. To create more advanced alerts, you just click create alert. On a new page, you can modify it. So for example, DWF Labs. So I would like to see when DWF Labs account start from DWF Labs, start send the tokens to the Binance. I would like to see the value only over than 50K. So everything what is under, I don't want to see. There's no minimum, no maximum. So let's say like 1K token minimum. And which tokens? I would like to track World Liberty Finance. Done. And what chain? Absolutely doesn't matter. What should we alert you? I would like to receive the alerts to Telegram. So now with these simple alerts, I can just simply wait when one of the biggest World Liberty Finance holder starts sending the tokens to the Binance. But of course, you have to understand they can't send to the Max, to the KuCoin, to the OKX, whatever, right? That's why in alerts, you can add more centralized exchanges and track it. The same way, guys, you can do and add totally for free alerts. So with the market makers, with the big whales, with the funds, whatever. I'll recommend you just use Arkham Intelligence. Link will be under the description below. Track the drop step, the venture funds and the investors, and use just a free Arkham alert bot. I hope you like this video, subscribe channel, and don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.